Rain happens. But there's no need to let it ruin your camping experience. Here are some tips for camping in the rain to help you stay happy and dry when the liquid sunshine starts falling from the sky. Number 1. Track down the right tent site. Pick a campground with a little height that is not close to a stream or lake. It isn't enjoyable to awaken in that frame of mind of water during a storm. Far and away superior, assuming that your tent faces the morning sun, it'll be simpler to cajole yourself out of your camping bed on drizzly mornings. What's more, anything you do, don't set up under a tree. Long after the downpour has halted, raindrops will continue dribbling on your head and falling branches could harm you assuming the breeze gets for the time being. Number 2. Light up the night. Lights can assist with helping the feel under the covering or tree shelter. Bring LED string lights to wrap around the camping area, light a few candles to glimmer pleasantly in bricklayer containers, and pack a decent camp lamp and spotlights. Make sure to bring a lot of additional batteries. Lithium batteries are extra dependable in chilly climate. On the off chance that you think you'll be returning late, connect reflectors to the trees close to your tent so you can view as your way back in obscurity. Number 3. Make an outdoor living room. Whenever the day's exercises are done, don't allow everybody to withdraw to their tents. Make an outside family room. Style a setting up camp downpour cover by hanging a canvas or two upward, and one on the ground too. Then set up for business seats, take care of the surrounding lights, break out the blends and bites and get some music and games moving. Cards Against Humanity, anybody? Number 4. Power food to the people. In the wake of getting back from your climb, keep the wet, cold under control with some solace food. A cup of hot chocolate goes quite far on stormy evenings. Aztec hot cocoa with bean stew goes much further. Got an amazing open-air fire pizza or Dutch stove lasagna formula? This present time's the opportunity to break that out. We, people, need more calories to keep up with internal heat level when it's cold, so keep the crabs coming. It's generally great to toss a few veggies in with the general mishmash, however help yourself out and prepare them first, in your warm home, rather than stripping and cleaning neglected. Number 5. Layer up. The right setting up camp downpour gear, and a decent layering framework will assist with managing your internal heat level, wicking dampness while you're dynamic, and holding body heat when you cool down. Pick polyester or fleece base and mid-layers under a waterproof coat or downpour rain guard. Cotton is rarely a decent decision, since when it gets wet it stays wet, which will plunge your body temp quick. Try to pack an arrangement of base layers and fleece socks in a waterproof sack for hanging out back at camp, when you'll believe dry garments should change into, and a cup of something hot to heat up. Number 6. Select orange. Headed into the sprinkle during hunting season? Remember to wear splendid tones like red or orange. You would rather not be confused with a deer or waterfall, so leave your metropolitan variety plot at home and hotshot the orange parka that truly draws out your eyes. Number 7. Hang up, then hang out. Whenever your garments are splashed, it very well may be enticing to dump them in the corner and twist up in your camping bed. Think about hanging any wet garments first. You'll express gratitude toward us tomorrow, when you have dry garments that don't possess an aroma like mold. Pack a clothesline and string it under a canvas or your tent's vestibule, so you can balance all your wet apparel to dry. Finding opportunity to deal with the dampness component will make your outing significantly more lovely. Number 8. Add a bivy bag. Whenever the ground is wet and cold, add a bivy pack to remain warm. This additional layer of protection will assist with safeguarding your camping bed from dampness, and it can likewise assist with holding a little hotness. You can likewise get serious about resting cushions to keep you hotter. Whenever you're settled in for the evening, attempt to keep your face uncovered. Breathing into the sack can make down protection get wet, which will influence its exhibition. Shockingly better pick a manufactured pack that protects in any event when wet. Number 9. Preheat to 98.6 degrees. To try not to need to pull on cool garments, preheat them to 98.6 degrees. Pack the upcoming garments into a little, breathable sack and stuff it down into your camping bed so it stays overall quite warm close to your body for the time being. Having comfortable garments to put on in the first part of the day makes crisp mornings such a great deal better. Number 10. Whip out the hand warmers. Unfortunate dissemination can be a variable when it's saturated outside. Whip out the hand warmers. Stuff a couple in your boots to make breakfast somewhat cozier, and afterward ride those warm, blissful feet into your morning climb. Number 11. Flip and sip. At any point wait to observe your water bottle has frozen for the time being? Flip your water bottle. Water generally freezes from the top. Assuming temps plunge beneath freezing for the time being, flip around your water bottle so the base will freeze, all things being equal, and you can get basically a couple of tastes out in the first part of the day. Number 12. Make all the difference with gaiters. Consider wearing precipitation jeans or pressing gaiters. Wet leaves and morning dew can get you wet in a rush and even drench your jeans clear through. Downpour jeans and gaiters can make all the difference.